Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to today's video. For those of you who are new, this may be your first time coming across my channel, seeing one of my videos, and you're probably not yet subscribed. Go ahead and handle that. Welcome, my name is Tyler with an O, and for those of you who are already my people, already subscribed and just joining me for another video, welcome on back. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I know that intro seemed kind of rushed, and that's because it is. I'm gonna be trying an organic apple cider vinegar rinse. This was just new to me to see it pre-made in the store, like already pre-bottled rinse with the little squirty top and everything like that in the store. So if you're new here, if this is your first time seeing one of my hair videos, whatever, what have you, this is my 5th month, I believe. I started twisting my hair in November, so December, January, February, March, April. Yeah, this is gonna be month 5 for me on my, twisting journey. As of month 5, my hair is really like, I can tell like my locks are really like solidifying their form. They're not necessarily twist anymore, like they're legit like locks. And the last time I washed and retwist my hair was a little over exactly a month ago, and that I just washed with shampoo the normal way, whatever, retwisted with my beeswax and call it a day. This is the Hask Organic Apple Cider Vinegar Build-Up Removing Rinse. It says it's free of SLS, SLES, parabens, phthalates, PHTH, phthalates aren't phthalates and phthalates. Anyways, gluten, drying alcohol, and artificial colors. Detoxing hair is as easy as ACV. Use this cleansing rinse in place of your shampoo to lift away unwanted buildup from your hair and scalp without stripping natural oils. Organic apple cider vinegar, rich in antioxidants, helps clarify, rebalance, and refresh the hair. If you guys seen like my first wash video, I had so much buildup. Like, it was disgusting how much buildup was in my hair. And I've seen people on YouTube do ACV rinses in their dreads, but it's usually people with like longer dreads, and they can like soak them in that vinegar and everything, and like you can see the stuff really come out of the hair. But I'm only 5 months in, so mine are like really short. So I was really happy to see that they had it bottled already. So yeah, that's what today's video is gonna be. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do the ACV rinse with this stuff right here in this bottle right here, and then at the end we'll go over the results, and I'll tell you, if it made a dramatic difference, and if I think it's worth it, and if I feel like it did something for my hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm at my bathroom sink, obviously. By the way, I haven't watched anybody else do this, so if I'm doing this entirely wrong, then you know what? Let me just go ahead and do it entirely wrong. Leave me alone. We're supposed to put it in our hair, let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes, which I'm probably gonna let it sit for like maybe like 3 to 5, Then we're gonna rinse it out. But as far as the application of it, I feel like I can do that over the sink, and that way you guys can get a better view of everything and everything like that. Okay, so I just went ahead and thoroughly wet my hair. As you can see, I'm dripping. And so it says, after you wet your hair, apply a generous amount directly to the scalp, massage in the hair, and leave for 1 to 3 minutes. I mean, it does smell like ACV, but it kind of smells a little more apple-y than vinegary. I was worried about that, like smelling like vinegar. So it just sprays out like that. So I'm just gonna... Ooh, I should have put this in the microwave first. Woo! Oh, that's cold. Okay. Kind of focusing at like, the top of my head, because gravity's gonna have it running down through the rest anyway. Oh my God. Whoa! Oh my God, what is that? Y'all, that ain't no vinegar. Oh God, that tastes disgusting. Do not, I repeat, do not get this in your mouth. Wow. Oh my God, that's the strongest. Oh my God. That has the strongest taste ever. Oh my God. What is that? Anyways, so it's in my hair. I kind of massaged it through there. And so now I'm just gonna let it sit for, it says 1 to 3 minutes. I'll probably be looking about towards 5. And then I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'll show y'all, talk about the results. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what has come out of my hair thus far before I go ahead and hop in the shower and rinse it completely out. This, I really just took one of these little country crock bowls and filled it with water and just ran it over my head just to see and to test, how much buildup and gunk this was actually going to be removing, and to see if I was going to get, one of the brown puddles that you be seeing on when people do rinses of their dreads. And y'all, you know, this is it. And I just washed my hair a month ago, so this stuff I can tell is actually killing the buildup. So yeah, I mean, despite the taste of it, this actually is, you know, removing all the buildup, because I did not think my hair was gonna be that dirty. But yeah, this is what I'm looking like. As you can see, it's dripping wet. There's still some of the ACV in there. So now I'm about to hop in the shower, give it a good little retwist, and then I'm gonna update you guys at the end. All right, y'all, so this is it. This is the finished result after I went ahead and did my little retwist or whatever. So this video also kind of doubles as just like a little progress video, so you guys can see my length or whatever. Look at this. Yes, hair is growing. So again, for the third time, this is supposed to be a shampoo replacement. So it's supposed to be something that you can use instead of shampoo, obviously. I guess it's supposed to keep you from stripping your hair of its natural oils and moisture and all that other stuff. And it's also to detoxify and get rid of buildup in your hair and in your scalp. As I showed you guys in my sink, you know, it did remove some of the buildup and dirt that was in my scalp. So after I washed my hair last month, I did a retwist, the first initial retwist just after the wash, because like the water makes it fuzzy and everything, with black beeswax. And after that, I only do that one time after a wash. After that, I just do like my routine little, you know, touch-ups and everything with just water. As far as like daily refreshing and everything, I was recommended to use a sea salt water spray. And like actually I was going to make one, but then I was in the store and I saw this, and it's called Not Your Mother's. It's like, you know, for those people who want to have like a textured hair look, and it gives them like beachy waves and texture to their hair. It's like a texturizing spray, but it said sea salt spray, and that is what got me. And I looked at it, and it's sea salt, aloe, and sea kelp, salt, tropical banana scented. It smells great, and it actually does add texture to the hair. But I was recommended to spray my hair down with salt water to kind of help with the locking. So I've been using this, and then just to keep my scalp and hair lubricated, I've been using the Aussie Miracle Moist. This is the hydration oil with avocado and jojoba, and y'all, I love this. I really love this. These are the only two things that I've been using to upkeep my hair. With that being said, I didn't think that I had that much buildup in my hair, so I don't know if I want to attribute what you saw in my sink, what I showed you after I rinsed my hair out, to the ACV in that it made a lot of the hidden dirt and hidden, you know, buildup come out of my hair, or if it was just that in this last month my hair's just been really dirty and that was gonna come out anyway. Overall, I feel like I got a much cleaner wash and feel when I wash my hair with shampoo. And I say that because after I washed my hair with shampoo and then went to go ahead and retwist it, there was like no buildup whatsoever. My hair just was so clean and everything was cool. This time, again, I don't know if this is good or bad. The ACV really obviously loosened up a lot of the buildup, but it didn't remove the buildup. And I washed my hair the same way. I massaged it in and kind of like worked it through my hair and everything just to make sure like I'm really like getting the buildup out. However, it didn't come out until I was retwisting my hair, which was really nasty. So I'm like retwisting and literally like gunk is coming out of my hair, which I let it sit in there to break it down. I rinsed it out after in the sink and in the shower. And so, I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and say I'm not personally a fan. I feel like if you have like a gentle shampoo or something that can clean like a shampoo but can still leave your hair not dry and still leave a little bit of moisture in your hair. Or what I like to do before I wash my hair, and this was even before I had dreads, but when I had my curls and everything, I would pre-poo, and basically I would take like an oil, so I would take like a castor oil or, you know, something like this, and I would run that through my hair and scalp before I wash my hair and just kind of let it sit in a little bit, so that way when I actually apply the shampoo and scrub it, it doesn't like strip my hair and make it really, really dry and like, you know what I mean? But yeah, ultimately, I don't necessarily know if I like this. And then as you guys saw, when it accidentally got in my mouth and it tasted like, let me explain to you. It wasn't that it tasted like apple cider vinegar and apple cider vinegar was nasty. This tasted nothing like apple cider vinegar. This tastes like literal like gasoline. Obviously you're not supposed to taste it, so that shouldn't even be a consideration. Yeah, I don't know if I'm a fan of this. I don't want to speak for all ACV pre-bottled store-bought brand rinses, but this one in particular, I'm not necessarily a fan. Will I try another one in the future? Maybe, but for now, I think I'm just gonna stick to washing my hair with some shampoo because that's what works for me. I got my hair really clean after that. My hair didn't fall out or catch on fire or anything like that. So if it ain't broke, don't damn fix it. But anyways, yeah, hopefully, I mean, I don't necessarily think that I came to a conclusion, but hopefully you found this video entertaining, if not informative. Give it a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and comment down below on what you would like to see here on this channel. Also, if you have any questions about my hair or anything like that, comment them down below. More importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithAnO goodness. And I will catch you all on my next video. Peace!